Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a little bit of a sweet treat for you. Perfect for summer to use with your fruit. This is a great filling for cakes or whoopie pies. We're going to be making this fluffy marshmallow fruit dip, and I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. We're gonna make a really quick and easy 4-ingredient fruit dip that you can use all summer long. Serve it up with fruit, with little baby chocolate chip cookies or vanilla wafers. You can use this as a filling for whoopie pies or as a cake filling. It's gonna be fantastic. What you're gonna need to start is an 8-ounce block or half pound of cream cheese that's gonna be softened, a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. You can use the store brand if you want. 1 cup of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So to get started, all you need to do is we're gonna loosen up this cream cheese and give it a little bit of a mix, and then we're gonna add the marshmallow cream and all the other ingredients, and we're gonna have a super delicious dip. Now all we have to do is add our marshmallow cream, and then we'll whip that all together. And a top tip here is using a rubber spatula, you want to go ahead and give that a spray with some vegetable oil spray, you know, like your cooking spray when you bake a cake or get a cookie sheet ready. That's just the easiest way. I mean, it's going to be a sticky experience anyway. That's the best way to get the majority of this out of the jar. Okay, so now all you have to do is beat these 2 ingredients together until they're light and fluffy. Now when everything looks really well incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract and the powdered sugar. And we're going to blend this slowly at first so you don't get it all puffed up in your face, and then we're going to blend it thoroughly for just about a minute. And that is all she wrote. Now we're just going to go at this with the spatula one more time just to kind of scrape the edges, the sides, and make sure that everything on the bottom got well blended in. You can see that it did. And now all you have to do is pop this in a bowl and get ready to serve it with some delicious fresh fruit. So there's our fluffy marshmallow fruit dip all ready to be served. I put together a little selection of fresh fruit that we usually have on hand this time of year. Some fresh local strawberries, a freshly cut pineapple, some washed and plucked grapes, all ready to go. You should serve this with whatever fruit you like the best. And are you ready to taste it? Because
I have to.
Also, I wanted to say, if you're going to be serving this at a party, you can always have the option of serving it with toothpicks, or you can serve it with fruit kabobs if that's easier, and then let everybody serve themselves a kabob and a scoop of the dip on a plate. And that is what you should do if you want to feel a little more comfortable. But since this is just our family here in our house today, then we're just going to go for it. So you ready?
Fingers.
You want strawberry?
Yeah, that's fine.
Little fruity fruit dip. What do you think?
Oh, that's a treat.
Pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that right there is just a delicious option that you can whip together at a moment's notice. You don't have to refrigerate it right away for a couple of hours. You can just eat it. You can enjoy it right now. And I know that your kids are going to love it. This is great to take if you've been invited to a barbecue or a party. Just celebrate. Just enjoy. It's the sweetness of life, and this is a really great way to kind of represent that. So I hope that you give this fluffy marshmallow fruit dip a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.